My name is Vaughn Wyant. So what we've got here is our next classic Porsche restoration project. First of all, it's a 1960 356 cabriolet with a hardtop. And everything about this car is numbers matching. It's the original engine, the original transmission, the original wheels, and we have virtually all the parts for this car. But it has some interesting options too. It has the 80-gallon extended range fuel tank, which is basically takes up most of the space underneath the bonnet of the car. It has an electric antenna, which was an option at the time, and it has a retractable steering column, which was kind of a cool deal. And I wouldn't say it's rare, but it's kind of unusual in a car like this. And I bought this car basically from a scrapyard in California, and I paid $72,000 US. And when I bought it, everybody said it was kind of crazy to spend that kind of money. And to be honest with you, we didn't know at the time that it was even numbers matching. It was just, we got into the fever of 356s, and I bought 3 of them in the space of about 2 months. And this is our next project. We've got lots of videos and pictures of this car, but it is in pretty tough shape. But what it's got going for it, it's a 356. It was originally white with a Cordovan or dark maroon interior. It's all original, and when it's completed, it will have a significant value. So we're looking forward to posting videos, posting pictures as we go through the restoration of this and bring it back up to a standard that you would expect out of a brand new car in 1960. So pay attention, watch for it, like us on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and all of those things, and we're looking forward to showing you the final project. Thank you.